Gerald from Greens Point has a question about, well, he needs some lintel help.
Well, he's got a little bit of rust on them, Tom, as you can see right here. Gerald writes, I noticed the steel lintel on a couple of my windows is rusted. It appears to be pushing the brick and cracking a small area. What's your recommendation on these repairs, Tom?
When red iron rusts, it expands. So it actually gets thicker, and the rust makes that pressure go against the brick. So it's probably best in this case to replace the lintel. And there's a lot of brick repair companies out there that can remove the brick. They can put new lintels in, they can put the brick back, or they can match it with a brick. They have ways of putting the texture and the coatings on other bricks and make it match really nice. You'll never know it's done except it'll look good and it won't have that rusty lintel. But it's not that expensive. But in this case, because, and you can see it's between an upper window and a lower window, there's nowhere for that brick to move, so it's just going to get worse and worse. So that would be actually a very easy repair because it's that very small line of bricks. I think it's 2 or 3. I don't have the picture right now in front of me at this minute, but 2 or 3 little layers of brick. And they'll just take it off, put the lintel in, and put the new brick on, and it'll look great. So don't shy away from it. There's a bunch of them. You can Google them. You can look for them. A lot of brick repair companies in town.
All right. It's amazing. It sounds like it's 3 parts art and 1 part science.
Okay. I don't know about the science.
Well, I mean, it's just obviously they have to know how to mix this stuff. I'm just saying that the art of this, Tom, it's fascinating to me that you can take a brick and make it match another brick and all that. So you got to be careful and make sure you interview before you hire somebody.
Well, here's the difference. You can hire masons, and they'll put brick on new homes all day long. You send them the brick, all the brick matches, and they just put it up. And they do a fantastic job. But you can hire brick repair companies. Their goal is to match the mortar, match the brick, and sometimes they can save the brick and put it back. But or sometimes people have some extra laying around the backyard. They kept our buddy Chris here at Mosier Media, who still has piles of brick in his backyard.
So do I.
His house. He doesn't know what to do with it.
Yeah, I got them too.
There you go. So they can do that, but it's amazing. And I've done some remodel jobs in my career and hired some really good people at the time. This was years ago. And you'd get in there and you'd swear it's the same brick. And they did it. They colored it. They did everything in the shop, brought it out, laid it up, and it was perfect.
All right, so that's the way to go. And you got a question, Tom can match up an answer, so you'll never feel like you didn't know. Right? I mean, you can do the same thing, right? Sure. Tom has a lot of extra answers laying around behind the house. We'll bring one out for you. But anyway, go visit HomeShowRadio.com, fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in, and we'll answer it just like that in a video that we post on our homepage at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and Facebook.